Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a 4th of July manicure. I'm going to use Essie, Marshmallow, and LA Girl, Jostle, and Animate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is Essie, Marshmallow. Sorry, the camera's not acting right. Marshmallow. It's kind of like a white jelly. And then I've got these LA Girl Glitter Addicts. This is Jostle, the blue one, and the red one is called Animate. These are just glitter toppers, really, but I'm going to use them today. I'm so excited. Now, this Essie, I bought it on purpose because I wanted a, kind of white jelly to make jelly sandwiches. And you can see it's got a beautiful formula. And using that new brush with the wide brush on it, it's amazing to work with it. I'm telling you, I'm totally falling in love with my Essie polishes again. Not just for the colors, but being able to apply them nicely. So I was going to do a jelly sandwich with this, but after I got these glitters on my nails, I decided not to cover them up with another layer of marshmallow. So I'm going in with the blue, and then I'm going to do the red right over the top of it, so that I've got my red, white, and blue on all these. I'm going to do some stamping on the other nails, but I really wanted to kind of do like a layered manicure too. So we're going to get a little bit of best of both worlds today. So there we go. Going to go in and go get some more glitter on my brush. I bought this whole Glitter Addict collection way back when. And I love having them for, the different colors. It came with a bunch of different colors. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get everything to dry down so that I can do some stamping on the other nails. Like I said, I saw this glitter and I was like, oh, I can't cover that up. It's so pretty, I can't cover it. I'll be using American Freedom by Winstonia today. And I'll be using this Maniology. And this one is Double Bubble. And then I've got this clean color and it's just metallic red. So we're just going to hop right into it. I'm going to do some dots of the blue across the top. And then I'm going to go in between and do dots of red. So that I get kind of... There's going to be a little bit of blending, but I'm only going to scrape once. Because I really don't want those colors to mix too much. I'm kind of wanting that red, white, and blue theme, There's my monocle stamper today. It's what we're using. And there we go. And here it is. And I'm going to do that same thing again, but I'm not going to use as many dots because it's going on the pinky nail, which with them being super duper shorties, I don't need that much of the image. So here we go. And this is really unusual for me, for my nails to be this short. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess off of my skin. Some of it's coming up, some of it's not. I forgot to put my Burt's Bees, brush on my Burt's Bees around the cuticles, so got a little bit of a mess, but not terrible. I'm going to get my Maniology cleanup brush out and go after this with some acetone. Making sure to get all that extra stuff off my skin. I just can't leave any of it on. And since they're super duper short, I'm having to go way up under that little finger. I'm going to top everything, the stamped ones off with the Smudge Free Top Coat. And then we're going to use our Poshe to seal everything in and finish this one off. And once again, I'm enjoying showing you that you can have pretty little nails on even super duper short nails. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.